Need a repair? Collection service available across the United Kingdom. See description. Today we will guide you through the detailed process of replacing the motor in your DYSON SV14 vacuum cleaner. First, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a T15 torque screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and possibly some tweezers for small components. To start, disconnect your DYSON from the mains supply to ensure safety. Begin by removing the battery pack. This involves unscrewing the two T15 screws located at the back of the unit. Carefully lift the battery out to avoid damaging any connections. Next, turn your attention to the main casing. You will need to unscrew the additional screws securing the casing, usually found along the bottom and sides. Identify all screws. Typically there are 5 or 6. Make sure to keep them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry open the casing. Take your time here. Forcing it can lead to cracks or breakage. With the casing removed, you will now see the motor assembly. Check how it is connected by observing the wiring and plug. Taking a photograph can be helpful for later reference. If you encounter any resistance, ensure that you haven't missed any screws. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, making it easier if you'd prefer expert help. To disconnect the motor, carefully unclip the connectors. Pull the motor out gently from its housing, being mindful of other components. Now, before fitting the new motor, take the opportunity to clean the internal components. Use compressed air to blow out dust and debris, particularly around the suction channels. A clean vacuum runs far more efficiently. Next, take your new motor and align it correctly in the casing. Ensure that the connectors are seated properly. Replace the clips securely. Reattach the casing by aligning it properly and pressing it down gently. Select your screws and secure the casing firmly, ensuring no gaps are present, which could lead to reduced performance. Don't forget to reattach the battery pack, ensuring the connectors align correctly. To finish, plug your vacuum cleaner back in and test it. If it works well, congratulations. You've successfully replaced the motor in your DYSON SV14. If you're unsure about any steps, don't hesitate to reach out as we provide collection and delivery at your home for repairs. This means you can avoid all the hassle of travel. Remember, you can receive a quote before any repair work is carried out, ensuring peace of mind. Keeping your DYSON in top shape is essential for maintaining a clean environment. Need a repair? Collection service available across the United Kingdom. See description.